Hi everyone! Add sugar to the cottage cheese. Also add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 egg. I'm Isabel. Welcome to my channel, where we bake everything in the air fryer. Add 100 grams flour, about 3/4 cup. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Air fryer baking is easy. Just follow my tips and you'll get it perfect every time. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar or vanilla extract to the 4 tablespoons of sour cream. Add 2 teaspoons semolina. Add 2 tablespoons sugar. Mix everything well. Spread the cottage cheese dough onto parchment paper. Lightly oil your hands with olive oil and spread the dough out like in the video. Pierce the dough with a fork. Spread the filling over the dough. Help my channel grow. Drop a comment or even just an emoji below. Arrange the berries on top of the filling. This will make the cottage cheese pie extra juicy. Please like this video or leave a comment. It really helps me out. Thank you. Bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Perfectly baked. That was very simple and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your meal.